Hi, this is another edition of RN Answers, and this edition is about crab STDs. So, the truth about pubic lice. So, what is pubic lice? Pubic lice has been in existence as long as mankind. In order to live and reproduce, crab lice require human hosts. Pubic lice belong to the arthropod phylum and the Phthiriasis pubis species of insects. With their crab-like bodies, crab lice are perfectly designed to live on human hairs. Pubic lice have shorter and wider bodies than head or body lice. They also have large front claws which allow them to attach onto hair strands. The life cycle of a crab louse. Pubic lice have short lifespans. They only live about a month while on a host. Without a human to live on and blood to feast on, lice live even shorter lives, about 1 or 2 days at most. Female pubic lice can lay about 30 lice eggs, also known as nits, at a time. These eggs attach to hair strands to begin their germination process. Lice eggs then enter into an immature nymph stage. During the nymph stage, the young lice molt about 3 times. From the egg stage to the full adulthood takes about 3 weeks. How do you get pubic lice? Sexual contact is the most common way of transmitting pubic crab STD. But it's not the only way you can get pubic lice. In fact, any close skin contact can spread the pesky insects. Inanimate objects like bed linen, clothing, and towels are also sources of lice. Despite many anecdotal reports, toilet seats are not a very common way of transmitting crabs, as it's difficult for them to actually survive with very long time without a host. Pubic lice symptoms. Pubic and perianal itching is the hallmark symptom of pubic lice, but the pubic region is not the only area of the body where pubic lice can attach themselves. Really, any part of the body where there's coarse hair and also thickened skin, itchy skin, itchy bluish rash can also accompany pubic lice. The eyelashes, the beards, the armpits are also really prime targets for crab lice. Diagnosing pubic crabs. Visualization is the key method used to detect pubic lice. Under a magnifying glass or microscope, it can be quite easy to see adult lice and eggs attached to individual hair strands. One can also see brownish flecks of lice feces on the skin. Of course, the hallmark symptoms of itching and skin rashes are also used to make a diagnosis of skin STDs as well. Treating pubic lice. Many options are available when it comes to eliminating pubic crabs. Permethrin and pyrethrin are the standard topical treatments used to kill lice. Derived from chrysanthemum plants, pyrethrin is very effective against crab lice. But no matter what chemicals used to kill the lice, the eggs still must be manually removed with a fine-toothed comb, especially for the areas such as the eyelashes. Clothing and linen must be washed at a temperature of at least 125 degrees Fahrenheit to kill lice and their eggs. And good to know, dry cleaning also destroys pubic lice as well. Resources. Think you have pubic crabs, but you're not really sure? You should really get out there and get tested for other STDs as well, because STDs tend to commingle and come together as well. So it's not unusual to find yourself having one STD and then also finding out you have another at the same time. If you live in the United States, please check out STD Test Express. They offer fast, confidential, local STD testing, and it's pretty affordable, and they're very quick, and generally within a 3-day turnaround for them. So for more information, give them a call. It's 877-787-4875, and that's Monday through Sunday, 7 a.m. through 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. Thanks for watching.